Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link TL-WA932RE 450M 3 antenna wireless extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the TP-Link TL-WA932RE extender is a 450 megabits per second Wi-Fi extender with a 3 antenna design that helps expand the coverage of your existing Wi-Fi. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, insert the extender into a wall power socket near your router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds. The power LED light will turn solid, indicating the device is ready for setup. Tip: keep the extender in the same room as the router during setup. Now on your computer, phone, or tablet, open Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's default network, TP-Link_extender_XXXX, no password required initially. Launch a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari. Type tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254 into the address bar and hit enter. If setting up for the first time, you will be asked to create an admin password. Choose a strong password and click Next. The extender will scan for available networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz 5 GHz. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Next. The extender will connect to your home Wi-Fi. Choose whether to keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, or set a new one for the extended network. Click Finish to save the settings. Now unplug the extender and move it halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Check the signal LED, blue and green means good location or red and off means move closer to the router. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.